Hello everyone, welcome to Abhith Siksha. In today's video we are going to do a fun activity. We often do this activity in the pretext of showing a magic trick, but there is actually a valid scientific reason behind it. Have you guessed what I am talking about? Let us look at this magic trick once. For this experiment, we will need a plastic cup, water, and a source of fire. We first take a plastic cup half filled with water and burn the upper edge of the cup. We will see that the plastic cup catches fire and starts to melt. The melting continues but stops as it reaches the water level. Why? Is it magic or science? It is actually science. This is because water is a good conductor of heat. That is, the heat provided is absorbed by the water, preventing the plastic cup from reaching its ignition point. Hence, the cup does not burn.
Using this same reason, we can also explain why plastic cup containing water does not catches fire when we provide heat from below as well. The water heats up and evaporates, but the plastic cup will not catch fire. If you like this video, then share, and for more such videos subscribe to Abhith Siksha.